Good morning, grade 3. Today we will have the second lesson in unit 23 that is talking about handling data, and today's topic is bar graphs. These bar graphs is another way of collecting data. It helps us easily to compare between numbers instead of looking at the numbers and trying to figure out which one is more and which one is less. A graph using bars to show quantity or number so they can be easily compared, and it comes in shape of bars. It shows different pictures that helps us and grabs our attention so we can compare easily. Let's open our book page 98, and by looking at the top of it we will see this part that tells us exactly what do we mean by graph. Bar graph, some information can be shown as a bar graph. Each bar shows a number, and always we have to read the main parts of this. As we see here, we have the graphs. These graphs shows number. We have to read the main parts in this one. We have to be familiar with the title. We have to read the title of this graph to know what is it about. We have to focus on the label for each axis to know it's about what and the scale of number. Mastering these three would help us to figure out and answer the question that we are searching for. Going to question 1 in our book, let's read carefully and find the answers. I have the graph here, and in the graph the first question says, each week Laura has a spelling test. She has to learn 15 words for each test. This graph shows her results for 6 weeks. I have the graph here. Look carefully at the graph and let's see what the first question is gonna be. Okay, going to the first question. Here we are. In which week did she get 15 out of 15 in her test? We said before, the graph, any graph has title, has a scale. We have to be familiar with them and read. Which one shows 15 out of 15? So, which part I will start to look at it? Yes, word spelling correctly. This is the first part that I'm gonna check it. This part. Okay, now I will go and search for number 15. It's from 0 till 15. So which one has 15 out of 15? Then I will go up like this and go down. So which week does it show? Is it week 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6? Yes, the answer is week 4. What did I do? I go with the question. The question is asking 15 out of 15, so I'm going and check the numbers first. Going to the second questions. How many words did she spell correctly in week 3? Now, the part that I'm going to check is different than the first one. How many did she check in week 3? So this time I'm going to, yes, the label part. For weeks, here I have week 3. So I will go from week 3 up. Now, aside to find the number. And the number is, yes, you are right, it's 12. Let's read the third one. In which week did she only score 8 out of 15? So I'm going to the side of words. Here, the word spelling. Which one shows 8? I have here 8, so I have to go with my finger like this and keep continuing. Maybe you will find another one. No, so it's here. Then I will go down to read the week. So it's in week, yes, week 2. You are right.